So today we're gonna be exploring how to get fresh ingredients from the freshest place and here is a chicken. We're gonna keep this chicken with us. Say hi to our little chicken. So here I show you, my aunt is picking these fresh green chilies. They're called bird eye chilies. So here, wherever, you can just pick one right here if you're gonna go close up. Right here. Here we also have some red ones. These are our red bird eye chilies. We're gonna see all the bird eye chilies. And later we're gonna go down there and we're gonna see some of the fresh cucumbers that are. We also have some fresh coconuts. When they're ready to be eaten, they'll fall down and then you can just pick them up and then just cut them open and then drink all the fresh juice from them. Here's the cucumber farm section. Here, see, you already see it on the floor. This one right here, you see it's still on the stem. This is something that's ready right here. We can pull this off. It's so fresh that you can even bite it just now. So follow me, and then we're gonna take you to some of the goats and the sheep and stuff. They actually had 3 little babies, so it's super cute. So here we have this leaf. This is what they eat. This is actually called in Thai kating. So here we go. Right now, the little ones aren't really eating this yet. So we're just gonna feed the moms so that they can make a lot of milk for the little babies. They're super friendly. You can literally touch them. Like on the head, you can wipe them, everything. They're super friendly. So now we're gonna go and see one of my favorite ingredients that is always used in Thai cooking. Follow me. So here we are. If you can see on the floor, growing right here. This is what we call here cilantro, coriander, or in Thai, pak chi. This is one of the biggest ingredients that is always used in Thai cooking. Wow, you could already smell like how much aromatics is coming out of this. This, you literally, it's so fresh here, and this is our farm, so no one actually like comes around here. So literally you could just take it and eat it. So now here is here's another section where we have like red chili peppers. So right here, you could see, and let's just pick some of them. We have some green ones as well. And here you'll see like this really pretty little flower that comes out of the chili tree. So here we actually have some of these tree twigs. Here, the locals here, they put it all on the floor so it dries. And do you know what they use this for? So here, you might not recognize it now, but this thing right here is actually most likely in your house right now. So this is the first stages of them drying it out to be a broom.
Yo, snakes. Just kidding.
I hate you so much. Yo, oh man.
You're so red now.
No way. I hate. So the bush that is actually used to make these brooms is right here.